Go ahead. That is what I'm talking about. Booyah, baby. That is awesome. That is awesome, baby. That's as good as any deer hunt I've ever been on. That is awesome. Awesome, baby. All right, buddy, tell us what you got.
Well, you know, we've had a rough morning this morning. We've had them all around us, and they gave us a slip again. Jack had the bright idea to walk about a half a damn mile around here and wear me out. And I thought he'd walked us too far, to tell you the truth. So we got over here and called a little bit. And of course, I was a little upset with the calling, thinking it was hurting us more than it was helping us. But we finally tried to make a little bit of a man drive over towards Chad, back behind us.
We were down to the last few. We had decided, I just called Chad and I said, Chad, go ahead and slip on the outside. And we're going to ease down through here, and with any luck, maybe we can get close enough to get a shot on one or to call him over a hill or something. And so he slipped around there. We didn't move 30 yards, and I could see a strutter out here. So we got down and belly crawled to a good spot. Jimmy got up to a tree. I stayed a little bit behind and stood up. And I think the video's pretty good until he shot. I shake all over the place, but I could tell watching him, he's going back and forth, and I knew at one point, I said, he's coming.
He was definitely coming.
And we almost lost him. He dipped down in this bottom. I didn't even know this bottom was here, and he popped up 20 yards to the right.
Immediately. He didn't stay in that bottom
I
long.
was just praying Jimmy could see, but man, I mean, down to the wire. They seems like every show, it's always down to the wire. Well, this one, no doubt, down to the.
We will no doubt have to pay a late checkout fee.
Yeah,
no doubt, because we will be behind now.
We're going to have to pay an extra.
We were 20 minutes from leaving.
It's worth it.
Maybe 20 minutes from leaving. Hell, we still got to go get all our blinds and our decoys. We left everything back there so we could walk around.
This is awesome. He's a solid 2-year-old.
Got about an 8-inch beard or so.
Spurs, shy of an inch, but about an 8-inch beard. You know, he's a good solid 2-year-old, and he just he couldn't take it.
Yeah,
he had to come
check it out. So Jack got it done with the calling.
And get this. I don't know if he got him, but we're here getting the birds set up, and we hear Chad shoot twice.
So we might have another one. So we're gonna go check that out.
So hopefully so. But we got it, buddy. Second year in Illinois, and we got it done finally.